How to add the long music to Boomerang. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the long music to your Boomerang. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. You need to start by opening your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram application, on the top side you will see the plus icon with your profile on it. Just tap on that icon and then you will need to go on the camera section, and after going on the camera section, tap on the boomerang option which is just below the create option. After going on the boomerang option, just create something and you are done. After it is processing, you can now already upload your boomerang with music on it. So after it being processed, go on the music section, add any preferred music that you want to. So if it is like this, you can also add the music right here and tap on the done option, and now you can upload it on your story as well. That's how you can create your boomerang with long music. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.